Ayun. So, I'm test number 4. But it's not a real test. I'm gonna try again. Barely seasoned, no actually, I barely seasoned it with the same thing. So that's the black pepper, red pepper, paprika, garlic, chili powder. And I'm gonna double drench it again. Testing for, what do you call that? Kung ano yung tsura, kung ano lasa niya. Pag store-bought lang na seasoning. And then, I'm gonna try folding it. See if, see if that works. Oh, just clean your house first. I don't care if you go the distance. Hmm? Ang bata, puro lang. Grow up first. Ha? Puro kayo love. Ano yan? Love na. Lagab-lab. Lab-lab. Clean your house first. Hindi ko pa nga marunong maglinis ng bahay. Lagyan ka na ng love. Ano ba yan? Clean your house first. Nobody deserves someone who can't clean house, huh? Nobody deserves that. People deserve people who can clean house. I'm gonna if you can't clean your house, you better be able to hire someone who can clean your house. Nobody deserves trash. Right? So you can, well, technically you shouldn't be trash. I'm not gonna apologize for that. You shouldn't be trash. You shouldn't think you're trash. You shouldn't be trash. You deserve to be better. Okay, so this is working. Bumubuka. So it looks like I need to. I wonder if I can get facing, like, yung parang sa, yung collagen facing. If I wrap it in facing. Okay, the other fold was okay. It's interesting. Why may, eh kasi di ba nag-ano siya? The problem last time really was that it's squishy. If I grill it first, it would dry. I wonder if I could grill it and then fry it. Essentially, allowing it to dry first. Or I could form patty with pancakes and that. Hindi ko pa natatry yung making a patty out of it. Maybe if I made a patty out of it, it would be more solid. And a bit more flour in the mix. Oh, mamaya. I'll try making a patty out of it later. Ayun nangyari din sa I'm still playing, pero pinabababa ko kasi yung mga bata. Nakakalimot kasi sila. So, and it's easier to make a point when you stop. As with dogs, you do the same with dogs and cats. You stop. So they know it's not okay. Children are the same. They register that it's not okay because it's not. You should teach your children though, huh? If you got kids, you should teach your children now. Kasi problema na ibang tao eh. Yung mga anak na hindi mo naman pwede sabihin yun. My children are bothering me. Yeah, no. No, they are. Sure they are. Ayan. So, getting nice and beautiful. I'm gonna eat the remaining pasta. It was okay last time. This one's a little less colorful. I think last time I had like all my seasonings. So I had a lot of seasonings. I had mushroom, paprika, black pepper, garlic. I think I did allspice, yeah, and some oregano and cumin. So, yun yung a lot. And this one I'm testing kung ano lasa, kung yung store-bought lang. If it is still, yeah. Because I already know my mix words. So the folding wasn't great. Obviously not. But I'll try the patty version. See if the patty will work. But this is shaping up to be crispy. So I guess it will work. It worked. Sorta. Dapat sa video dahil we find ways. We find ways. Bino-brute force. Brute forcing food. Hindi. I'm not gonna make sauce for this. I'm gonna be using the sriracha mayo. Kasi know if it works. It actually works. Although yeah, I do want some teriyaki sauce. I think I'm just gonna get teriyaki sauce outside when I do go outside. They do sell those. Pero honestly, I'm just missing honey. It's brown sugar, soy sauce, and honey and vinegar, I think. Parang ano yun eh, I remember thinking those are the contents for fishbowl sauce. and flour, yeah. Which is exactly fishbowl sauce if you think about it. If you've ever had to make fishbowl sauce. Ano to? Nabuhay yung double breading. So yeah, there it is. It looks promising, but then the last time was good. So I'm sure this is okay. I'm just wondering if the folding